want to sing? Oh. Oh, then you stand up. So you can come here. Both of them, they are singing. Oh, let her. Oh, let her. Now Jagdanand Pandit. Huh? Jagdananda Prabhu is telling again, Chit Kanji, Krishna Chinmay Bhasra. Jeev, Krishna is like a sun, but transcendental Chit Suit. And what is Jeev? From sun rays are coming, and in the rays so many particles. So Jeev is like that. When the rays are in sun, then they give light. And when sun is not seen, then they go in dawn. So if anyone serving Krishna, they are liberated souls. And that very Jeev getting Krishna, forgetting, then he becomes Badhaji. Conditions. And here, now you are young, you are not understanding. But when you will be old, too old, you cannot walk without any stick. So many problems in this world. And after that you will give up this study. No, not a single folding pens with you. Hello. You cannot be with your father, mother, wife, husband alone. And again you will come. Krishna is so merciful that he has given us mercifully this human. We should not waste our time in worldly intoxications and so many things. And I have told that in a man, not two souls can be there. What? Huh? Okay. In one case, two souls cannot be. So, to do bhajan, this bhajan and sense gratification cannot be together. We should think this. Krishna has given opportunity that in this human body you can attain that thing. Again remember Krishna and you go to Vrindavan and serve Radha. And if you felt, then no one knows. You will be dogs, you will be what? Pigs, hogs, and you may be fishes and all will eat. So don't lose this time in sense gratifications. My all dear sannyasis and brahmacharis, they should be very, very careful about never and never. So he is telling you, Krishna bahimukh bhaiya bhog vancha kare. They forgetting Krishna. One are bahirmukh and one antarmukh. Antarmukh means serving Krishna. And other without service, they cannot remain. You anyone without service. If wife, or then serving husband, his children, if husband, or then serving all others, you must serve. Better to serve Krishna. When you, from Tatastha Shakti, you see this world, at once seeing this, oh, very thankful, and come down in this world. Rotation. For beginning of creation you are in this world, but never satisfied, like Puranjan, like Pururuva, like father of Jadu, Jajati, they were not such. And one to satisfy you is indriyas, sense. You can. Then, seeing this, Tatastha Shakti, Jeev, and there is Maya, this side Maya, that side Yog Maya. At what Chapatiya Dhar? Men? Pisachi, Paile Jono, Mati Channa. Perhaps you know Pisachi? Ghost. You know which? Oh, at once that will come. And then what will be? You will think that I am peaceful. And you will be entangled with it. If anything, you are hungry, oh, I am hungry, I must eat. So this, what you eat, oh Pisati, that takes. Mouth you are taking, but where is it going? To that wish. So now what we are doing? All Pisati taking. Maya Rasthaya Seva Ami Siddha Krishna Das. But always remember, I have come to tell you, oh my dear sons and daughters, you are not an inhabitant of this world. You are from Golok Vrindavan. By your constitution, but you have forget him and thus have come to this world. Kabhu Raja, sometimes king, sometimes praja, subjects, sometimes Brahmin, sometimes Shudra, sometimes very unhappy, sometimes very happy, sometimes insects, sometimes in heaven, sometimes in this world, and sometimes even in hell. Sometimes demigods, sometimes Daitya, Dana, demon. In this way we walk. Traveling from beginning of creation. Krishna had given a chance. And if you lose the chance, forever again you will have to come in this life. So realize this fact. और आचार्य तृतीय आचार्य स्वामी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज, his Gurudev, my Gurudev, they came to tell you all these facts and follow Krishna Bhakti. ए रूप संसार भ्रमिते को जानो, साधु संग निज तत्व अवगत. Then luckily, traveling in this world, very luckily. What is luckily? It has been told. Bhaktistu bhavatsangena paryayate satsanga praptate pumbi sukritai santi. There must be something in the ground that anyhow you have served any Vaishnava, who have served Dham, Vrindavan Dham, Navadip Dham, Puri Dham, who have served any Vaishnava, and if he is so much, then sadhu sangha you will have. So I think you are very lucky that you have had the sangha of Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and after that in his parampara. So, you should always remember this. Sadhu Sangha Nitya Tattva. When you have a Sadhu Sangha, you should always remember, oh, now my this sansar is going to be end. What? My journey in this world is now to be stopped because sadhu sangha. Sadhu, but sadhu. He should be sadhu. Sadhu means sat, following the sat. What is sat? Krishna is sat. Mahaprabhu is true sat. Three satya. He is satya himself, and satya comes from him. So, those who serve that Krishna, they are really sadhu. Not only he knows all Shastra, he has remembered all these slokas of Srimad Bhagavad like parable. And he can speak so much things, but not following then he is like a parrot. Nothing. निज तत्व जानी आप संसार न जाए. When he knows, oh, I'm not Bhattaji, I'm not inhabitant of this world, and Nitya Das of Krishna, eternal servant. So I should stop my all sense gratification, all attachment in this world, and that attachment should be given in Krishna's lotus. Can you do? Then shall. You should promise that I will give my whole energy, attention, everything only for Krishna, to please Krishna. If you can promise and do like that, from today, detach from both. Be like Grihastha, then be like Janak Maharaj or Subhas Pandit. And if sannyasi or brahmachari, then Mahaprabhu like. Then Krishna prema will come. असाधु संग भाई कृष्ण नहीं. In asadhu sangha, those who are not sadhu, in their guidance, Krishna will get. That name will come. Bahiraj bate naam kabunga. It will be Sadai Namapara. Sometimes maybe Namabha. Sadai Namabha. ये सब जाना भी भाई कृष्ण भक्ति बना. All these things, Namapara is not Nam. Namabhas is not Sukhane. So try to know that what is Sukhana and try to do that Sukhana. Kabhu Namabhas, Kabhu Sada Namapara, ये सब जाने भाई. So, who is sadhu and who is asadhu, first we should know. They had told these symptoms of sadhu. But who is asadhu? Mayavadi one. And secondly, Istri Shangi. Not for all marriage life person. They should not be too attached to their own wife. And sannyasi, five, brother sannyasi, what? They should learn, even by mind they should speak with ladies. Not in any train, my dear sannyasi. If in mind, you will see a statue of wood lady, then mind will go like Ajami. You cannot control. So be very careful. यदि कृष्ण नाम करिवे साधु संग करो, असाधु संग परिहर. Give up the association of those who are not sadhu. Mayavadi, Vishayi and Istri. If ladies are doing related in this, they are also Istri and also men also. Das aparad taja, man apaman. You should try to be careful from thus take aparad. You should know take aparad. And taja man apaman. If you want to do bhajan, give up your prestige. Keep your prestige and take it, throw in ocean. And give proper respect to others who are qualified. And be Sahisnu like trees. told and in this way you can chant Hari name. Shuddha name is very difficult, very difficult. But we are in process. If you will truly follow this process, you will become a very high class of Vaishnava. अनासक्त विषय गुरु वियुक्त वैराग्य. You cannot give up eating. You cannot give up air taken from nose. Words by ears. Cold or hot winds. You can. But don't be attached to anyone in this world. Like air, like sun, like fire. Like fire takes everything, good and bad, and it burns them, but not taking anything from them. So be like air. Sometimes very good fragrance, sometimes bad smell, she takes, and after some time. So you should. What is favorable for you? Health to maintain. You should take which is favorable for you. And very strongly you should reject all these things which are not favorable for you. If you will do, certainly forgivable for you. And if you are only outwardly in all these things, only follow. भक्ति अनुकूल करह स्वीकार, कृष्ण भक्ति प्रतिकूल कर परिहार. ज्ञान योग चेष्टा छाड़ो और सब कर्म संगम. You should try to give up ज्ञान, निर्विशेष ज्ञान, निर्विशेष योग and other karma. In Gita it has been told, Sarva dharmana parityajya mam ekam saranam vraja. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokhyasi. If you take the shelter of Krishna, really, he will support and nourish you. In our Gita explanation, I have given a story. A Brahmin was translating Gita, and when he came, Ananda Shintayanto Mange Jana Patyupasute Esam Yoga Chema. Arjun Mishra. If anyone taking shelter of Krishna solely, then Krishna tells, I take something on my head and carry and give. He cut out that line. Oh, how he will come? He may be sent by anyone, but how he will come? And he saw after that, went away, and then what became? Oh, and then he was begging, nothing today, 4 days, and he returned, and when he returned, Brahmini at once came very fire in anger, told, oh, why you could not bring yourself? Why you get to a very beautiful teenage and so much load? Oh, I have not given. Oh, come and see. And the boy is sitting there. And when he came inside and saw, oh, so much food stuff, ghee, atta, dal, rice, sugar, oil, everything. Why did that boy? And but in Gita, there is no red one. So while you are worried for your mentality, first be surrender totally, and Krishna will support and direct. So many examples, so many examples. So I will have to go in a job, government job, and that I will maintain. So many brahmachari do like that, taking suffering for also. They should not be like that. They should have a firm belief in Krishna, that Krishna will nourish and support. And do bhajan Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. And wait till evening, if anything is coming or not. Oh, be storming night, and you see, oh, Krishna cannot remain. He will be restless and at once he will. So I request that you should be like that. We don't do anything for us, you know. And where we go, Krishna had arranged everything from before. Everything. Because he has solely surrendered. And if you will be like that, why will Krishna become? Krishna is now not dead. He is alive. He is always alive. So don't worry for that. Either lady or man. Market Parayag because Jate Devar. Don't have market Parayag. You know monkey? He has no center. He has no home. He has no cooking room. He has no any cloth to wear. Nothing. Nishkinchan, Paramaha Nishkinchan. But when he sees monkey, lady monkey, at once particle. And when you will see the ladies are taking some banana or anything to eat, Thakurji, at once they jump. Even they will take from your lap your boys also. And they will go to top of trees. And when you will keep something dead, so don't be Vairagya like that. Yukta Vairagya. Krishna Mar Palarache Janata Baba. You should know that Krishna is not seeing us. You know that anyone not doing, we are not doing anything. But we see that Krishna is sending too much, so much. And not only me, so with him, so many groups easily happen. Krishna has arranged, Mahaprabhu has arranged, you should hear Katha. Oh, cooking is ready. After my class, very delicious food you will have. Nothing to worry, nothing to cook, nothing to do anything. So Krishna has arranged all this. Sadhu Bhava Bada Kashta Jive Jai. Krishna knows that sadhu sang is very hard for these Kalyug persons. So Krishna has become name himself. Understand? Krishna has what? He has invested all his power, all his mercy, all his quality. In other words, Krishna is himself become holy. So, what Krishna cannot give? Only names. If you want to take darshan of Krishna, you want that Krishna should come, he will not come. But when you will chant Hare Krishna, oh, he is bound to come. Gorapada Sai Paraho Buddhiman, Gorabai Sadhu Nahi Nase. So what I do? Don't take by this year and oh, it should go into the heart. And then really you will be sadhu, and very soon Krishna Prem will come. And at once, the dooth of Krishna from Golok Vrindavan, Vishnu, not Vishnu, Krishna, will come and tell, oh, please come with us. Go, Preman.
Hare Krishna.
Oh, you should go with us.
Tomorrow is our
Hare Krishna. Take mic. You should take mic.
Hare Krishna. Tomorrow is our last day in festival, and Gurudev came late due to his health problem. Will come tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock. Will come here for darshan, and you can sit in group and make some way. And whoever want to come, then pranam to Gurudev, they can come. And tomorrow fire sacrifice will take place 7:30 a.m. Whoever taken Diksha or Harinam, either male or female, all will try to attend fire sacrifice. Before Gurudev class, darshan you want to finish fire sacrifice. It will take place either here or in front of Gurudev Bhajan Kuti. You can tie up with Leela Purushottam Prabhu or Krishna Devi Dasi. They will tell where will be proper place for fire sacrifice. So tomorrow fire sacrifice 7:30 a.m. and Srila Gurudev darshan 10 a.m. here. Hare Krishna. Thank you for the cooperation. And tomorrow is Ekadashi also. Tomorrow is Ekadashi. Must be prohibited from grain or any beans. Hare Krishna. Thank you for the cooperation.
Hare Krishna, Hare